Hey YouTube, RC Flyer with the UMX Air Tractor. Really good looking plane. It's got lights, has the same characteristic as the UMX Turbo Timber Evolution, also has landing and takeoff flaps. So let's take her up for a spin. And we're up. Into the wind we go. Ah, look at that thing. We'll come right through the trees and right past us. The wind did pick up just a minute ago. This is about 30%. We're gonna come back around. 100%, full throttle. You can't even hear it. Can't even hear it in the... So quiet, so quiet. Nice low pass. Into the wind. And then out. It's got a slow roll rate. Super fun plane, super fun. Super quiet, you can fly this anywhere. With the bigger tires, it's easier to land. I'll actually come back.
Safety switch on.
Oh.
AS landing flaps.
Landing flaps are on. With the amount of wind, flaps are up. I was gonna try to do a touch and go. So we're gonna do a touch and go without any flaps. It's a bouncy touch and go, but it's a touch and go. Oh yeah. Another bounce. Woof. Gotta give her more throttle. Full throttle. Roll. Does not do a snap, but that was cool. Oh no!
Safety switch on.
Whew, that got squirrely. That was close, guys. Almost crashed that one. And again, this there's a little bit of wind, but this doesn't fly the greatest in wind either. Flies a lot better. The faster you go, it flies better in wind. All right, let's try to take her in for a landing. Nope. That's what not to do with landings. Let's do it again. It's hard because I never have wind when I'm flying the way it's coming.